Ever want something that is lightweight and easy to carry around, but is also easy to store? Well, also, it can go on anywhere. Well, it can, I would say...
Mostly anywhere, right? It can go on grass and asphalt and concrete, right? Okay. So what is it that you're trying to show me? It's a what?
It's a wagon.
Okay, can you move it around so I can see? You got a lot of stuff in there.
Yeah.
Okay, is it hard to pull? No, it's pretty easy, right? Okay, well, why don't you take some of that out and show me some of the other features in here? Those wheels are really good on the grass. It makes it easy to run, huh? Okay, so let's put some of this stuff out. All of this stuff is really cool. You've done a lot of reviews on this stuff in our storefront, too, for how awesome it is, huh? Okay, so this is what it looks like. And there are a couple other little features that are really nice. So you can see here, there's a couple, a couple pouches here for that would be great for, cans or something like that. And then as you come around, you can see this that really allows you to carry. This is weighted for a couple 100 pounds. And then in here you can see these wheels. You can see how easy they are to navigate. And then in the front, they completely are 360 wheels. So that's wonderful. Now, how hard is this to fold up?
It's not that hard.
Okay, let me come on this side and you can show me.
You can easily see this.
Uh-huh. Wait, that's all you have to do to fold it up?
Yes.
Oh, that's pretty awesome.
It's also a handle, so you can carry them around.
But you have to have this big thing there?
No.
Oh.
You can, these buttons on the side
can
make you...
Well, how awesome. And that doesn't seem like that weighs a lot at all.
No.
So that would be really easy to deal with, right?
Yeah.
Okay, wonderful. Would you suggest others get it? Is it something that you're really excited? Yeah, unfold it. Let me see how easy that is. Wait, you just popped it down and it's ready to go?
Yeah.
Well, that's pretty amazing. All right, I definitely think others could get it too. It sounds pretty great.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.